Dating Couple Yakachata last month, Star and Logan, and I'm sure a lot of people are now familiar with them. Vakaonana pa TikTok vane love story yavo yavakambotaura. Munogona kunovatarisa futi pano paYouTube, vane YouTube channel yavo. Vakazonopedzesera muchato wavo vakunodya kufudhiswa tinashe mutarisi. Ndakatoshamisika kuti kuchii chiri kuitika apa. So apa they are asking for a GoFundMe. Vari kuti ivo vari kudawo kuti vakwanisewo kubatana kuUK ikoko. Handi musikana anogara kuCape Town and mukomana ari kuUK. So mukomana wrote a GoFundMe iri kunetsa nyaya yacho iyoyo because he ended up deleting the post. Makusenta mukaposti pasisina. But anyway, anga anyora kuti ndoda kuti ndiverenge zvacho zvaari kutukirwa panapa. Aisa GoFundMe link ndobva ati EcoCash as well. Zvikanzi the time has finally come, everyone, to our 27,000 followers. If you are in position to help, even a donation of just $1 could make a huge difference. Many of you have followed our journey from the very beginning through our Rora, our wedding, and everything that is happened along the way. So many of you have asked us to continue creating content, filming vlogs, and sharing our lives with you. And we are incredibly grateful for all the love and support you have shown us. As many of you know, one of our biggest dreams is for Star to join me here in the UK so that we can finally begin building our life together. With the UK immigration rules becoming increasingly difficult, we are hoping to raise enough money to begin the process as soon as possible. Bringing Star to the UK would not only allow us to build our future together, but it would also allow us to continue creating the content that so many of you asked to see. We have so many ideas that we want to share with you all, and we are excited about what the future could hold. Our main goal is to raise £6,000 to help cover Star's visa application process and the cost involved in bringing her to the UK. Our secondary goal is to raise money to start a chicken and fish farming business in Zimbabwe, which has been a dream of ours for a very long time. If every one of our 27,000 followers donated just $1 or more, if you are able to, we would be one step closer to making these dreams a reality. Whether you donate, share this post, or simply keep us in your prayers, we appreciate every bit of support. Thank you for being part of our journey. You can support us here, GoFundMe, EcoCash. Murukunzwa entitlement ine vamwe vanhu. Isusu ndisina maproblems manje. Imi makatochata. Mukatoita magochi ataikuonai muchiita muchidii, maakukumbira manje. Ende kusafunga kwavo ndekwekuti vanonyora zvinhu zvakadai so immigration vari kuiziya here. Immigration vari kutodeclare kuti ndoda kuunza munhu but handina mari. Apa achinyora futi nechirungu, ndoda kuudza munhu kunoka handina mari. Ari kuti immigration iri kunetsa but ari kutaura kuti chetise £6,000 kuti vacreate content kuUK. Vada kucreate content, hanzi mimi makati tirambe chicreate content. Tinowanei pacontent yavo isu? If I may ask, I don't want to sound rude, but this is reality. I don't give it. Reality iri panapa ndeyekuti 6,000 vari kukumbira vanhu 27,000 kuti nditai madhora. Iye ngaasiite semurume zvekuti vanhu ndakafarirwa nevanhu ndikachata ndikadii. Hatisisina kupusa isu. Titori nezvinhu zvakawanda zvekuitira maGoFundMe ana Sinikiyo uku murume wake izvezvi madhora tikabvisa hasi kukwana pari kudiwa imwe. Ndiye watingatoshingirira kutoti GoFundMe, not uyu tenchimuitira munhu anogona kutora mashift ari kuUK for what? And then aposta futi kuti. So yesterday I made a post which people took in a different way completely. The aim was to try and find different streams of which I can be able to help Star in the most efficient way possible. Honestly, I had assumed it's something basic which people can have the choice to help if they wish to or not. I did not think people would take it as being disrespectful, inconsiderate, and all the stuff that was being mentioned. It was a thought that came to mind as I thought we have supporters who have been rooting on us for months since we met TEO. I apologize for mentioning Ruben because that was taken in a wrong way entirely. I mentioned him simply as an example that people can help if they wish or if they can. We have played our part too. From my experience, GoFundMe can be created for literally any reason at all, not necessarily from being unfortunate. It could be for projects, targets, etc. Basically personal plans, which if you need assistance or help, you post, and those who wish to help helps. Plans had already been made and are already in place. I'm already starting business project and ideas to gather everything I need. It's extensive. This was simply my attempt to make the process happen faster. However, I have learned my lesson. bika left, right and center. Please note, it was done with good intention, but now I'm aware never to ask for help from anyone and just do anything. We will continue to help whoever we can until God answers. Hamino vada kublackmaila vanhu kana kuti vada kuita sei, I don't know. Vakafadaya vakaita mabrai, dai vakaita wedding futi, dai vakangoita court wedding, vakaregera kuita zvemuchato zvese izvozvo kana mari yanga isingakwani. Cause isusu topinda papi honestly pakuendesa munhu wake kuuk. Topinda papi, toda kutoendawo kuuk kwacho ikoko. Vanhu tinenge tiri kuabuse maGoFundMe aya, I don't know, because it's no longer making any sense at all. Tichadonata panoda kudonetwa, pasingade kudonetwa aiwa ende mota maGoFundMe enyu kuuk ikoko, kumaplatforms enyu ekuuk, but kwedu kunoku kana izvozvo kana weduwe izvozvo ngatimbomirei kuda kuitisana stereki. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed and see you in my next video.